Hi, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 17th, 2021, on election day. We have here a binary puzzle. Puzzle number 2488. Alright, 2488. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, there and O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. Double one. Oh, one. Yeah. Let me compare this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here and O, there and O. And now we have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this puzzle. If you like, download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.